Living in Glendale, California, offers a vibrant and bustling environment, but it can also mean dealing with the challenges of noise, whether it's traffic, construction, or the sounds of a busy neighborhood. Noise pollution can be disruptive, making it difficult to relax or concentrate at home. Fortunately, one of the most effective ways to combat this issue is by upgrading to modern windows designed specifically to reduce noise. In this article, we'll explore how modern windows can help reduce noise in your Glendale home, improving both your comfort and the overall quality of life. Understanding how noise travels through windows. Before diving into how modern windows can help reduce noise, it's important to understand how sound travels through windows. Traditional single-pane windows are often the primary culprit behind noise issues. Since these windows are thin and have poor insulating properties, sound waves can easily pass through the glass, allowing external noise to enter your home. This is particularly problematic in urban areas like Glendale, where external noise sources can be constant. In contrast, modern windows are designed with materials and technology that effectively block sound, improving your home's acoustics. By upgrading to windows that feature soundproofing capabilities, you can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your living spaces. Double-glazed windows. A simple solution for noise reduction. One of the most effective ways to reduce noise in your home is by installing double-glazed windows. These windows consist of two panes of glass separated by an air or gas-filled space. This gap acts as a buffer, which not only improves insulation but also significantly reduces the transmission of sound. The added layer of glass and air helps dampen sound waves, preventing them from passing through as easily as they would with single-pane windows. Double-glazed windows are especially effective in reducing low-frequency noises, such as traffic sounds or the rumble of construction. Whether your home is located near a busy street or in a high-traffic area, upgrading to double-glazed windows will make a noticeable difference in the amount of noise entering your home. Laminated glass. Superior soundproofing. For those who live in particularly noisy environments or near high-volume sound sources, laminated glass offers an even higher level of soundproofing. Laminated glass is made by sandwiching a layer of sound-dampening polymer between two layers of glass. This construction not only improves the window's soundproofing abilities but also enhances its durability and security. Laminated glass absorbs and dissipates sound vibrations, making it an excellent option for homes in Glendale located near highways, airports, or busy commercial areas. With laminated glass, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, as it can block out a wider range of noises, including higher frequency sounds like voices and music. Triple-glazed windows for maximum noise reduction. For homeowners in Glendale who experience extreme noise disturbances, triple-glazed windows offer the best solution. Triple-glazed windows feature 3 layers of glass with 2 insulating air gaps. This additional layer of glass and insulation significantly improves the window's ability to block noise compared to double-glazed windows. Triple-glazed windows are especially effective at reducing noise from external sources like traffic, trains, or loud neighbors. Although triple-glazed windows are typically more expensive than double-glazed options, they offer the most comprehensive soundproofing solution. With laminated glass, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, as it can block out a wider range of noises, including higher frequency sounds like voices and music. Triple-glazed windows for maximum noise reduction. For those who live in particularly noisy environments or near high-volume sound sources, laminated glass offers an even higher level of soundproofing. Although triple-glazed windows are typically more expensive than double-glazed options, they offer the most comprehensive soundproofing solution. If noise reduction is a top priority for you, the added investment in triple glazed windows will pay off in long-term comfort and peace of mind. Proper window sealing and installation. While the type of glass used in your windows is crucial for noise reduction, proper installation and sealing are just as important. Even the best noise-reducing windows will be ineffective if they aren't installed correctly. Gaps, cracks, and improperly sealed edges can allow sound to leak into your home. To ensure maximum noise reduction, it's essential to hire a professional window installer who understands how to properly seal and install noise-reducing windows. A well-installed window will eliminate the gaps that allow sound to penetrate, further improving the window's ability to block noise. Window treatments for extra sound dampening. In addition to upgrading your windows, window treatments can also play a role in reducing noise. Heavy curtains, acoustic blinds, or soundproof window coverings can further absorb sound waves and prevent noise from entering your home. These treatments work best when paired with high-quality, soundproof windows, as they provide an extra layer of insulation against noise. For optimal noise reduction, consider combining your new windows with thick, plush curtains or acoustic panels. This combination can dramatically improve the acoustic comfort of your Glendale home, ensuring that your space remains peaceful even in noisy environments. Enhanced comfort and quality of life. Ultimately, reducing noise with modern windows in your Glendale home leads to a more comfortable and enjoyable living environment. By minimizing disturbances from external noise sources, you can create a space that is conducive to relaxation, sleep, and productivity. Whether you work from home, have young children, or simply want to enjoy a quiet evening, noise-reducing windows help make your home a more peaceful sanctuary. Moreover, the added benefits of energy efficiency and improved insulation with modern windows can further enhance your home's comfort, keeping your space cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Upgrading to high-quality windows not only reduces noise but also enhances the overall livability of your home. Conclusion. If you're struggling with noise pollution in your Glendale home, upgrading to modern windows is one of the most effective solutions. Whether you opt for double-glazed, laminated, or triple-glazed windows, these innovations in window technology can significantly reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. With professional installation and the right choice of materials, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home that provides both comfort and relaxation. If noise is an issue in your Glendale neighborhood, consider investing in modern windows that offer superior soundproofing. Not only will they reduce unwanted noise, but they will also improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and overall comfort. With the right windows, your home can become the quiet, peaceful retreat you deserve.